What's up everybody? I'm Andre. This is Edible Fitness. Today, we've got renowned chef Jamie Oliver in the house, in the form of a book. I'm gonna try out one of Jamie's recipes from his new book, Veg. Sweet and sour stir fry. All right, enough of that, let's get started. Okay, so basically the only thing that I've read about the recipe is the ingredients. So I went, got the ingredients, and I haven't read how to do everything, so the actual recipe. But as you can see there, that's everything I think I'm going to need for the recipe. Mix the tomato paste and cornstarch together in a bowl, then muddle in the vinegar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and the 5 spice. All right, so first, tomato paste and the cornstarch. Tomato paste. I need 1 tablespoon nice. And the cornstarch, 1 tablespoon. Wow, that's exciting. Okay, so I'm gonna assume that muddle means to mix. Spoon. Okay, and then the white wine vinegar and the soy sauce. So 1 tablespoon. There you go. Oh yeah, and the 5 spice. 5 spice. Now I've never used Chinese 5 spice before. Pretty cool. Let's see here. Open here. Yeah, this is how do okay. Oh, 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon. And then mix this, I guess. I don't know if you guys can really see that. Can you see that? Kind of, sort of, yeah. Okay, well, I guess that's good. Next, drain and add the peach juices and mix well. Millions of peaches. Okay. And let me guess, we stir this too. Next, place a large non-stick frying pan or wok on high heat. Peel the onion and seed the peppers. Then finely slice with the carrot, adding them to the pan as you go. All right, so onion, red onion. 1 red onion. That's a lot of onion. Finely slice. Now it's time for the peppers. Carrot. Okay, so far so good. Not bad, not bad. Dry fry for 5 minutes or until lightly charred. Okay, stirring occasionally. Peel. Slightly charred. Peel the garlic and ginger, then finely chop with the chili and add it to the pan with 1 tablespoon of oil. Fry for 2 minutes. Okay, peel the garlic. So it's 4 cloves of garlic. Yeah, that's 4 cloves. Ginger. Looks good. Alright. And now the olive oil, how much? 1 tablespoon. There we go. Woo! Oh, that ginger smells amazing.
Later.
I'll then stir in the sauce. Roughly chop the peaches and add to the pan with the peas. Then slice the bok choy into 8 and toss everything together. Season to taste with soy and black pepper. Okay. What do you guys think? Do you like bok choy? I actually really love it. Yeah, I think it's really good. Can you guys see it? Right? Okay, so on to the next part. Turn the heat down low, okay? Done. Then cook the noodles according to the package instructions and drain, reserving a cupful of starchy noodle water. Toast sesame seeds in a dry frying pan until golden. If you're using, adjust the consistency of the sauce with a splash of reserved noodle water. All right, so let's go to the vermicelli noodles. Totally easy. Boil some water, put them in, 5 minutes, done. Cleanup finish, water is boiling, let's go. Alright, so if it's too thick, then I'm supposed to add in a bit more water. I think right now, as I'm mixing it, it seems okay. Well, there's only one more thing left to do, and that is to give it a try. Alright. Woo, it's hot. Oh. Okay, I was not expecting that. Little sweet, little sour. Yeah. I can understand that Jamie says to, if you want for a desired taste, a little more salty, to add in some more soy sauce. And I can see where you would want to do that, but ooh, yeah. Remember, the book is called Jamie Oliver's Ultimate Veg. If you enjoyed this video and you want me to try more of his recipes, let me know in the comments below. Speaking of the comments below, leave a comment, like, subscribe if you haven't already. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you always know when I upload new videos just like this one. I'll see you guys right back here next time on Edible Fitness. Bye!